So hello everyone, welcome to another video in the series of the Python. If I am going to ask to you that which one is the best IDE for performing data science related project, so without any doubt, you would be saying that Spyder is the best for choices. So in this video, I would be providing you very important feature of Spyder. You should do stay tuned and do not miss this video and watch till last. So before starting, I would like to suggest you that please make sure that Anaconda must be installed in your system. And if you had not installed Anaconda and you don't know the path which help you out in installing Anaconda in your system, so I will be providing a link in description which will help you out how to install Anaconda in your system. So let's start it. Just press your window key and here you can see that your search box will be appeared on your desktop. Just type Anaconda prompt. So you can see that Anaconda 3 is appeared on your desktop, or you can just go to Anaconda Navigator and just open Spyder directly only. So just go from Anaconda prompt and type here Spyder and just press enter key. And so while opening, be patient. It will just take a couple of seconds or more than that of normal. So here we go. In front of you, the Spyder environment is here. So let's take a quick overview. Left hand side, this part is a script where you can write the code directly, or and the code which you have written here. So output will be going to run right hand side console or shell. Let's take an example. Print 2 plus 3. So if we press run, you can see output 5 has been printed here, or you can just go directly to the console and perform any calculation. For example, 5 plus 5, sorry, plus 5. So you can see that output 10 has directly given in a console. So another feature of a Spyder here is you can open multiple new file in your script only. So for this, just go for to file and add new file. Basically, you can add multiple file at a time, which will help you out to write a code, and you can write code parallelly. For example, United 1, 2, 0 and 1. You can write here the code parallelly. So you can add multiple files, and the shortcut you can use Control plus N, which will help you out to add new files to the script. Or not only then you can add multiple files, but you can also add multiple consoles or cell in your Spyder. For this, you have to just click on here, new console, and here we go. That new console has been opened in our Spyder. So another shortcut for this is Control plus T, which can directly add your shell into your Spyder. Let's perform an in. So I would like to tell you that another feature of a Spyder is also that we can get multiple output at a time only. Let's see here that we have written two codes, or just we have to print both of the output together only. So just we will just press run file only here. So as we have pressed here, so output is given in the console third. Here, if we select console second and we want an output here only, so we're just pressing run file. We will get output here only. So moving to the next feature of a Spyder. In Spyder, we can have our dedicated console in our shell only. For this, just move to console. Sorry, run and configure per file and just press execute as the dedicated console and check out this. Always show this dialog box on the file first run and just press on run. Wait a minute. Run. So you can see our dedicated console has been added united 2 by. So you can see that our dedicatedly uh, console has been added. So if we add here and if we run in a dedicated console, our output will be going to here only. So it is quite interesting, but more interesting is that we can add more cells at a time in a one script or new file only. To open new file and just type here print new cell 1 and just give space and write here space hash percentile. You can see this gray line. It will just divide your script into two parts, upper shell and lower shell, and just type a code new cell 2, and for particular run just click on the select this here and just click on run cell. You can see that only new cell second is given in the output as we have run the lower shell only. So just move to the upper shell and just run here and click on run cell. You can see it's only first cell has been run. Want to run both as a output, so we have to run full as a code. So by clicking on it we have output both upper cell and lower cell only. Feature of a Spyder, which is of embellished syntax, or you have been seen that if you write something wrong code, it will be automatically suggest you that your code is being wrong or you have been a syntax error. Here you can see undefined name print. This feature which will help you out in minimizing your error. So let's move to print f. Now you can see it will be disappear from your screen. So moving to the next feature of Spyder, which is very amazing and very interesting, which is of auto completion. Let's define a function f out one and let's pass it. Sorry. So if we don't want to write as a whole or to ease our code, just write a few words of the definition of the function you have been defined at upper part. You can see automatically it will suggest this thing, and just by clicking on it, here we go, and it is just printed step out one just lower of it. So moving to next, which is very interesting feature, that is of variable. So move it. Let's define x is equal to, and let's take a by, and let's take z as a boolean. So let's run it. So you can see that by clicking on variable explorer, you can see the type and size of an variable you have defined. You can see it set 2 string 11 hello world and boolean 1 size 1, and it is true. So let's change the size of an x. Let's run it. So you can see by automatically it will change your size. So next feature I would like to tell you between only that it will directly show you a syntax which will of your code which you have been running. For example, if I'm going to be right here, and so we can see that by default only it will show the whole syntax of what print function is going to contain with inside it. So moving to the last but not least, it is a very important function of a Spyder which is widely used in it for data visualization. So let's move it to it. So we have to open new file. Let's import library matplotlib.matplotlib. Let's define x. NumPy. Let's plot a graph between x and y, and BLT dot show. So here we go. Just click on plots. The plots is a feature which will contain all the graph of your code which you have running here. And here we can do our data visualization. You can see output is generated at your plot area. So let's change the graph. Let's take this values in bar only. So let's run it. You can see that the bar graph has been represented in the plot area. For example, if we want to take horizontal bar, you can get horizontal bar only. For example, we have want scatter, so we can go for scatter only. So this is very interesting feature. So hope you have liked this video. Thanks for watching till last. Thank you so much.